Hi, my name is Kate Arthur. I'm co-founder of a not-for-profit called Kids Code Jeunesse. It's a national bilingual organization that aims to get children learning to program in the school system and in the communities. We are currently based in Montreal and we're piloting in elementary schools from ages of 6 onward. Piloting in English and in French in the school systems, and we're also piloting community projects and programs that will teach children in the communities to learn to program, and with the objective to spread throughout the provinces over the next year. So today we're here at CompuCorps in Ottawa, and we're teaching a group of young girls to code. We'll be here for about 4 hours, and they'll be learning over the 4-hour period how to build their own website using HTML, CSS. It's really important for us to teach these girls how to program, especially at no cost for them. We really think it's important that it's accessible to everyone, not just for people who can afford to take programming classes. And the team that we have today we've got 2 of the Kids Code Jeunesse team, Jacinthe Richer-Laflèche and Maude Lemaire. Both are computer science experts and both in university, and they'll be teaching the group outside to program.
Okay, we've got SRC. We've got the source. All right, and now we're gonna do style. Style exactly the same way with the equal sign and then more quotation, and then inside the style, style. With the 2 dots like this, and then what I would do is I would put 300 pixels like that. Not too complicated? It's all right? Okay, cool. So I just want to take a couple seconds to talk about why we have to do it, why inside the style, the quotation marks, why can't I use an equal sign and the guillemets again? Why do I have to use this? It might think it's a sentence. It might think, both sort of have it, it might think that this is ending here, and it might ignore everything that comes after it because it doesn't think that this means anything because of the 2 quotations. So quotation marks mean something very precise. So once you're inside the quotation mark, you can't actually use the quotation mark again until you're done with what's inside the quotation mark. That's why we have to use the 2 dots and the, how do you say this in English?
Semicolon.
Semicolon. The semicolon. And so the semicolon, if I wanted to give the image a border, if I wanted to give it margin, if I wanted to say I want the height to be 1,000,000 pixels, that's what it means. All right, pixels. Who knows what PX stands for? I've just been using the word. Pixels. What is a pixel? Exactly. Okay, so imagine you bring your face super close to the computer. What do you see? You see all these squares with like little images, and those are the little pixels. So 300 pixels means 300 of those little squares. And usually a website is usually like 1,000 pixels by like 800-ish. It gets a little bigger and a little smaller. the new thing is, whoops, let's put border. Size, no, style. 2 dots, and you put, I think you can put almost any color you want, but you can just write pink, yellow, white, green. I think even magenta will work.
How it needs to be spelled American.
Yes. The color is the American spelling because HTML was built in the US, so they do it the US way. Yeah.
Okay, so right click. Properties will tell you about what you selected, okay? So it's going to tell you what kind of protocol it is, which is basically like a communication, then what type of image it is, so that's the image type. Okay.
Sorry?
Oh, they need you. Okay. I can take over here. Just trying to paste it right. Okay.
There was another hand? No? Good?
Yeah, sometimes when it shows up like a long string like that, it's because that's the information that Google is sending, and it's not quite what we want. So you need the original link.
Cool.
Wait,
You got links? Alright.
okay, wait, I'll